We're talking about Nikola Tesla and his fascination with 369, the Tesla code. You know, it was Nikola Tesla who said all those years ago, if you want to unlock the secrets of the universe, you've got to learn how to think in terms of energy and frequency and vibration. And of course, at the time, no one knew what he was talking about. In fact, at the time, people said, this Nikola Tesla, is he a wacko? And yet it was the same Nikola Tesla who invented alternating current. Like literally the electricity we use today. It was Nikola Tesla who figured out how to generate electricity and transmit it wirelessly. Now that's technology that we've not been able to recreate today, and yet there is documented factual evidence of patents being lodged, of construction. And Nikola Tesla found the secret to the universe, the secrets in the codes and the numbers 369. Now it remains largely a mystery to this day, but there's certain pockets of information that have begun coming forward. And of course, the Nikola Tesla code 369, he applied to his life too. There's accounts of Tesla himself walking around a city block 3 times before he would go into a room where he was to have a meeting. There's reports that Nikola Tesla lived in hotels and would only occupy the room numbers that were divisible by either 3, 6 or 9. He knew something. There's power in these numbers. So here's the technique, and here's the key to accessing Nikola Tesla's divine 369 code to manifest a lottery win. You see, folks, it begins with an affirming statement that you can align with, that accepts your new reality as the winner of the lottery. So you might use an affirmation. I'm so thankful and grateful that I'm a first division lottery winner, and put an amount there. I'm so thankful and grateful that money in abundance comes quickly and freely to me. I have so much gratitude that I am one of those who has won the lottery. Whatever resonates with you, make it your own. Don't copy somebody else's. Go within yourself and take the time, because this is the statement that will give wings and release that lottery manifestation to you. Find that affirming statement and then simply encompass your day with the energy of that manifestation and live in it. When you get up in the morning, put pen to paper and write that affirmation 3 times. When you sit down to have your lunch, put pen to paper and write that affirmation 6 times. You've just doubled its power. Before you go to bed, before your head hits the pillow, write that affirmation 9 times. 3 in the morning, 6 in the middle of the day, 9 at night times. You put the circle of life around your manifestation. You can begin your journey of manifestation today by accessing Nikola Tesla's divine code of 369 and using that code as the circle of life around your manifesting the lottery.